Here's how to get the best deal from Chinese suppliers. You have to first add them on WeChat. That can be so important because that's a great way that they communicate. That's how a lot of Chinese people communicate. And I know this myself because I'm half Chinese. All my family on my mom's side and all that have WeChat and whatever. So if you can add them to WeChat, first get yourself on WeChat and then ask them at the end of your supplier, whatever template you use to send to suppliers, then just add that at the bottom. Say like, hey, you can add me on WeChat if you prefer to talk there instead of on Alibaba or AliExpress or whatever website you're using. And the other thing is to treat them like real people. So many times we just are so focused on just like, okay, we're going to get the best deal. We're going to get our product and get out. Like they have to give us the best deal. Otherwise we'll go to the next one. We have to understand these are real people as well. They're trying to make a living. They're trying to do their best to improve their business and just reach as many people and help as many people as possible. But you have to treat them like they're real people. Ask them how their day is going. Ask them, how are you? Like, like what are some of your favorite things? How was your holiday? If there's a holiday that's gone on recently. One great way is to know Chinese holidays. Just look up Chinese holidays, like Chinese Lunar New Year is one great example. Chinese Labor Week, or they get, I think it's like during their Independence Week, whenever it is, they get like a week off or something. So one that can also know, or that can also be beneficial for you to know, like, hey, during their Independence Week, they have the entire week off, so you probably won't be getting any orders sent out during that week, stuff like that. But also it can be great to ask them like, hey, how was your New Year's holiday? Or how was your time off? Whatever. Because that can also just help build a long-term relationship with them. People care about others who care about them. And so if you automatically care and are genuinely interested in the person you're talking to, then you'll be able to build rapport with them. You will automatically have a stronger relationship because it's more of you now have a personal connection rather than just a business transaction. You're really caring about the other person. And so when you do that, we automatically feel like we need to reciprocate the value. And so you'll get a better deal. Chances are you'll get a better deal. You'll be able to get certain things offered to you just because you took the extra step to care about the other person you're talking to and really just care for them and give value to them. So I hope this helps. Realize suppliers are other people too. They're trying to make a living as well. So treat them like they're a real person. Treat them like they're your friend or a family member, and they will respond to you kindly as well. So I hope this video helps. Let me know down below if it does. Make sure to subscribe for more e-commerce content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.